Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial I want to show you how I make my paper fan using an envelope. Yes, you heard me right, using an envelope. So these are all the tools that you need. Remember, envelope is very important, so you need to cut it out using your knife. You can use your scissors if that is more convenient for you. So after cutting it out, you need to mark the area. So I'm using, the circumference is 10 inches and then the height is 6 inches. For this particular one, I did 2. You also see the other one. So the circumference is 10 inches and the height is 6 inches. So you mark everything out and then cut it out with your scissors, just like that. This is very easy. I always say that in my video. If this is the first time you're seeing my video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. So when you've cut it out, you need to mark out 0.2 inches below. That is where you're going to put the straw board. Remember to mark the center and then use any round cutter you have, any round shape, place it in the middle and cut it out like this. Then you need to fold it so that it will be even like this, and then just give it the shape, right? Then tada, here you have it. Very beautiful. So this is a straw board. You need to put another round cutter and then cut it out with your scissors, just like this. Then this is where your hot glue gun comes in. So after cutting it out, this is what you will have. Very beautiful. It's an easy tutorial, something you can try at home. Please try it, please. Thank you. So just put your hot glue gun on it like this, then put it in the middle, and then remember that mark. Ensure you follow the mark so that it will be even. The reason why you did that mark there is because you will know where your straw board will be on it. Very important. After you've closed the other part, then you apply the glue there again, and then just wrap it around. This is the easiest tutorial. You can use it for your small chops. I usually use it for small chops, so I thought to share how I did it. Then of course you are going to glue this part again, so it's something very easy that you can do, and this is the trend now for small chops. You can also use it as a side hustle for your business. If cake orders are not coming, you can make this and sell to bakers around you, or even cake stores, right? Supply them if cake orders are not coming, instead of just sitting idle. It's something you can do. So after this, I had to use this my sticker on it, right? So you can print your stickers and use it on your paper cups. It makes it really beautiful. So after this, I did another one. This one is not as tall as that, so it all depends on the height and the width you want to do. You can increase it more than 10, the circumference, or the height. At least the highest I've done is 6 inches, but you can make yours 5.5 or even 5 or even 4. So it all depends on the amount of the number of small chops you want to put inside. So this particular one I did, the circumference is still 10, but the height is 5.5, so it's a bit smaller. It's taller, than the first one I did. So I thought to do 2, so that when you are trying it out, you can always watch again, and then you try it out by yourself. It's something very easy, like I always say. So after cutting it out, you just follow the same process, right? Ensure you mark the center. This is very important, so that you will know where you are going to cut off, right? So for this one, I'm using this hexagon shape, right? So this will give it another shape. It will not be round like the other ones. So you can use anything you have, any round cutter you have, or any shape you want. So just be creative with it, right? So this is something I thought about. When I saw it, I liked it, so I just thought, okay, let me try it out with another shape, because I've been doing round, and though they look beautiful, so I thought to use this shape again, and it came out absolutely nice. So you can be creative, use any circle you have at home, or any shape you have, in your available to you, you can use that. But remember, you're still going to cut it out the way you cut out the first one, like this. And then I was just trimming out the excess here. So if you open it, you see this shape is not like the first one I did. It's not as round as the other one. I just gave it another look. So like I said, the circumference is 10, so you're still going to use the same cutter you used for the first one, or if you want it smaller, you use a smaller round cutter. If you want it bigger, you use a bigger cutter. So it all depends. If you want it bigger, use a bigger cutter. If you want it smaller, use a smaller cutter. Remember, it is the straw board that you're cutting. The straw board, the width or the circumference of whatever cutter you're using, that will be the length of your envelope, right? Remember to always make that mark at the bottom so that you will know where to glue, right? So it's as simple as that. Today's hug is for Lillian Mujati, watching from Botswana. Thank you so much, Lillian, for staying glued to the page. Please tell us where you are watching us from. Let me send you a hug in my next video. Thank you so much. So we're almost done. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Please ask questions. I always respond to questions on my channel, except I've not seen it or I am not online. Thank you so much. So after gluing the bottom, you also follow the same process by gluing the side. You can see that the shape in front is different from the other one. That's because we use a hexagon cutter to cut out that part. So you can use any shape at all that you want, but if you want to start, I would advise you follow this tutorial and then you can explore later. Thank you so much. This is it. See you in my next video. Bye.